But it's really Christmas to everyone. I know I was very angry at, to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, Jiba Casandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez. They are promoting terrorism. And not even just that, Teacher May Tiburcio is promoting cyberbullying. Oh, and including um, everyone, like I said, um, not everyone, including um, who else make a cyberbullying? Oh, everyone who makes cyberbullying. You know, this is what I'm gonna say, Teacher May Tiburcio. Uh, I know, I know you bully Joseph Maspinas. And I know you were suspended by, your licensure, it was suspended. Huh? I know you're bullying Joseph Maspinas. You know what, Teacher May Tiburcio? I know you, right? Because you bully Joseph Maspinas, the one of Jerick Silva's friends. What if someone who heard this, or one of the friends of Jerick Silva who were members of Spedmotics? I'm not making bullies. Oh, you know that. Even Kuya Copio, who make bullies, and you say about Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. Everyone hates Bongbong Marcos, Kuya Copio. Like Jerick Silva and Joseph Maspinas, they were angry at Bongbong Marcos. Me, I am angry at Bongbong Marcos. If I were you, Kuya Copio, don't be such a disrespectful. Wag kang maging bastos, Kuya Copio. You're always saying about Bongbong Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. You see, Jerick Silva and Denzel Duchua are very angry at Bongbong Marcos. People there are angry. That's the suggestion anyway. Um, Kuya Copio, I'm not making enemies. I'm not making a fight. What was Stefan Pimentel says to me, oh, walang solid north. And stop mentioning about Marcos. Huh? Stop mentioning. Just like I said, stop mentioning. You know me, just like I said before, and here's the lesson to my all of my enemies, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jim Macasandil, and Teacher May Tiburcio, and Kuya Copio. Stop being all of yourselves are bullies. I know all of you are fake Filipinos. I know all of you are who are Marcos loyalists. Stop being all of yourselves are bullies. Remember that there is reflection. And you know what, Paulo Cruzada, stop harassing Shania Kiana that you're saying about um, rape joke. You know rape, Paulo Cruzada. That is an anti-safe space act. Remember that. That is an anti-safe space act. You know, in the Philippines, we call it bawal ng bastos law. You do not harass the minor. Not even just that, you know, Paulo Cruzada, that you're promoting a terrorism like ISIS. That's a violated against anti-terror law. Oh, not anti-terror law. It's a violation. Do you want to tell your parents that you're not being disciplined? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you need a discipline. You need a disciplinary actions. I'm not here to promote terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. I'm here to warning to you that terrorism is not really good. Oh, at least, Nanay Ningning never heard about Stuttgart, Germany, or Frankfurt, Germany, and you're saying, what does Paulo Cruzada says? In Tagalog, like he said, sabugin kong Germany at Frankfurt, and even is threatening to bomb jokes at I mentioned that Nagoya, Osaka, Japan, even Tokyo, the place that Teacher Vincent that he been there. I mean, I've been there in Tokyo in second time. When since my teenage years, I've been there. He mentioned that place. And he mentioned about Moscow, Russia. He mentioned about Moscow. He mentioned about Moscow. He say, why he bomb Moscow, Russia? Why he mention about Tehran, Iran? Why he mention about Pyongyang, North Korea? You know, North Korea, they don't like terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. It's a hermit kingdom. If the North Koreans said that, they will execute you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, and you're feeling yourself, you're an ISIS. You're feeling yourself, you recruit Teacher May Tiburcio into ISIS. You're praising ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq. At least you do not involve Best Pills. Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, is not a Muslim. Paulo Cruzada. And Wawel Romero is not a Muslim. Remember, Arnel Guerrero Castillo is a Catholic. Wawel Romero is a born-again Christian. They are not Salafist. They are not Sunni Islam. They are not Wahhabist. And then, Paulo Cruzada, you recruit Teacher May Tiburcio as an ISIS. Even Jeffrey Asedio, Jean Asedio, they praises ISIS. What was Jean Asedio said? In Tagalog, what he said, sa buging kong Tokyo, Japan, even Osaka, Nagoya, it's, Teacher Jean Asedio, you're in Japan, you're teaching SPED teacher, you're a SPED teacher, you're promoting terrorism. Why you promote terrorism? Even your son, Jeffrey Asedio, is promoting terrorism. It's not really good. Not even just that. Even the uncle of Paula Colin Nunez, Jim Macasandil, the relative of Paula, who's also promoting terrorism, he say about ISIS. Remember, just like what happened to Sajid Navkram and Navid Navkram. Sajid Navkram was killed by Australian police, and Navid Akram was being captured. He was sentenced in lifetime imprisonment for the charges of mass murder and act of terrorism. Remember, I'm not saying that terrorism is causing troublemakers. It's not really a knowledge. It's causing at troublemakers. I know my good friend Teacher Vincent Ramos is also against the terrorism. He's fighting against terrorism. Why? He doesn't like terrorism. Just like I said, like I was told by Roylan Marlang, and even Denzel Joshua, that terrorism is not really a knowledge. This is what I'm saying, terrorism. I failed I listened to Roylan Marlang that I promote terrorism. And even I made a fake account of Larry Chuanico, and I attack David Gill and his family. I attack Mr. Dennis Gill. Now, when David Gill's parents, even his dad, Mr. Dennis Gill, I was being sued from David Gill and his family members. Even Mr. Dennis Gill and Mrs. Annie Gill, even who were present there, it was his brother Gerard. I know I was being sued by David Gill and his family members that I attacked the church. I attacked the church. This is my fault. Kasalanan ko talaga. Like I said, I'm the one who promote terrorism. I know I'm the one who make fake account of Larry Chuanico that to spread the ISIS. That's called Islamic State of Iraq, to spread it. This is my fault last 3 years ago. That really happened to David Gill. And that the evidence anyway, Roylan Marlang, he bullied David Gill, even Tera Francisco, even not even just that, not only not even Carlos Kanakashi or Tomas Gregory Ferrer. This is my fault. Even Roylan Marlang's fault or Tera Francisco's fault, that's our fault too. Just like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, do not compare just like me. Do not compare Joseph Maspinas as David Gill. Do not compare J. Rick Silva as Mr. Dennis Gill. Do not compare Sophia Ahmad Sultan, who's a Shia Muslim. Do not compare as Mrs. Annie Gill. Like I said, do not compare Josh Gozo as Gerard Gill. And like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, do not compare Jean Asedio as Roylan Marlang. Do not compare Jeffrey Asedio as Tera Francisco. Do not compare Teacher May Tiburcio as who else? As Carlos Katakashi. Do not compare Jima Casandil as Tomas Gregory Ferrer, that was the uncle of Paula Nunez. I'm not promoting terrorism. This is all your fault, for all of you. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jima Casandil, and Teacher May Tiburcio. That's all of your fault. All of you are promoting ISIS. That ISIS is a Salafist. It's a terrorist group. It's a Wahhabist. It's a Sunni. At least, Teacher May Tiburcio, you don't know about the Orag Dampuan. They are divided to Shia and Sunnis. That ISIS are Sunnis. They're Salafist. Even Shia, the Shia Muslims came here in the Philippines in 1500s. Oh, they are trading for the Filipinos who were Arabs. Oh, they're Shias. Like Sunnis, they created Wahhabism. They created Salafism. I know about the history of Islam. Like I said, in the 1400, the Battle of Karbala, the Salafists is just like the Sunnis or Wahhabis comparison of ISIS. In 1541. In history, the Shia is just like Iran. They are anti-terrorism. That the time in 15400s, the Shia Imam Ali who killed the Sunnis, and even the Salafists or Wahhabis, they were killed by Imam Ali, who's a Shia. They are divided to two Islam, Shia and Sunnis. In my history, remember, when I say to Paulo Cruzada that ISIS is a Wahhabist, they are Salafists. Do not idolize that. This is my warning to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jima Casandil, and Teacher May Tiburcio, that ISIS is a terrorist group. It's a global terrorist group. Teacher May Tiburcio, you don't know what is a current events about Battle of Marawi. During the time of Rodrigo Duterte, he killed Isilon Napilon, Omar Maute, who were terrorist group of Abu Sayyaf and Maute, including who's that person, a Malaysian terrorist, who's a foreigner, Amin Baku, who were killed by Rodrigo Duterte, who was also killed. Remember that ISIS was founded by Bongbong Marcos, Benjamin Netanyahu, Jose Maria Anzar, and even Muhammad bin Salman. They are founder of ISIS. But the Shia Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps of Iran, like Ali Khamenei and Rodrigo Duterte, and even Vladimir Putin and Bashar al-Assad and Fidel Castro, they are fighting against terrorism. They are fighting against ISIS.